just left the junkyard, and as you see, we got us a new bumper. So you already know what time it is. You already know what time it is when I rigged my car and I done messed up the almighty Terminator bumper. So I'm waiting for that to come in, because you know what I'm saying, I gotta pay for it. But I'm finna go ahead and throw this stock bumper back on just because I want my car to look like one thing, you know what I'm saying? I might go ahead and paint it and just leave it how it is, but I still need a new hood, so I still gotta figure that out, and I still need a new bumper reinforcement bar. But besides those two things, as you see, we getting this car back together. We got the bumper. I got an axle in my trunk, so we putting this thing in piece by piece. You know what I'm saying? So the only thing left I need to get is the bumper cover and that other bumper, and some new airbags, and it'll be back to normal. But I just hate looking at this every time I drive, bro. Like, I really hate looking at that. Like, it just remind me, like, you got in the wreck. But when I put this bumper back on, hopefully it fit with the bumper cover reinforcement. The crash bar still messed up, but even if it don't, I'm still gonna try to put this on and see what it look like. But I'm on the way back to the house, so I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. So it's gonna be a couple minutes for me, a few seconds for y'all. I'll catch y'all in a moment, no cap. Alright, what it do, YouTube? It's the next morning, because I got tired. So it's the next morning. As you see, car jacked up. My jack going out, bro. I don't know if I'm finna be able to get my car down. But I got the jack up, got this wheel off, since this the axle that we changing, because it is bent. And that is the axle we replacing it with. So y'all done seen me do this 100 times. So I got the car lifted up. I'm finna undo the saws, and then I'm finna let the rear end down, and then I could get to the, what you call those things, diff cover bolts. So let me go ahead and finish doing this real quick, because I don't want to keep showing y'all repetitive things. So like I said, I got this rim off, got the rotor off, got the caliper off. Now I'm finna undo the exhaust, and then once I get done pulling the axle, I'm hot. Once I get done, I can't even think straight. Once I get done pulling the diff cover bolts off, I'm gonna turn the camera back on and show y'all what I got going on. Alright, y'all, so as y'all see, I got everything took apart. Got the oil drain, got the C-clip out. Now all I gotta do is pull this axle out. Pull this axle out. I don't know, but I know it's been somewhere up in there. Here's the new one. Pick this whole up. It's heavy. Hold on. On it. Oh. I doubt y'all can even see me for real, but that's cool. All I'm doing is sliding this axle back in. All I'm doing is sliding the axle back in. Hit that, then pick it up. Find the grooves. Boom. Yes, that is. I don't even think it's been a whole hour yet. So now I'm finna grab the C-clip. Put the C-clip back up in here. Let me see. Gotta go back up under here. Oh, this thing get hot quick. Alright, put the C-clip. You can see the axle right there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, I dropped it. Messing with y'all. I done dropped it. Hold on. Got the C-clip back in. Now I gotta spin this back around, put the the cross pin back through. Then I gotta try to get something by my neck. I gotta find some way to clean this up so it'll stop dripping. Then I gotta re-silicone this, put it back on. It's all oil. I'm just gonna put some new oil in it, fill it up. So that's what I'm finna do. Alright y'all, so I finally put the cover back on, got the axle in, put the C-clip in, and now we just basically in this video we just doing a bunch of little maintenance. You know what I'm saying? Like, we doing this video gonna be full of stuff that I'm doing, basically just a day in the life with AJ, no cap, with his car stuff. So new axle in, because it was bent, put the new axle in, got the cover on. It should be probably dry now, I just ain't got no fluid in there. But this is the next thing we finna do, because if you ever noticed and looked at my car, you will notice that the back of the car is lower than the front, and that's because I got Move 501 springs that go to a Chevy truck, I believe that's what they call. But I got those in, and I got the front springs cut, but I guess I cut the front ones just a little bit too high, I guess. So it sit about a ½ inch higher. So what I'm doing now is I'm doing the cheap coilover way. You know what I'm saying? The cheap coilover way. All my Crown Vic people know what these do. So normally when I used to get on, like when I first got the car, I had on to where you squish this and then it'll sit lower. But now, since I got this big 3-inch exhaust on and it always smacked the ground, as you can see, I'm finna lift it back up. Hopefully, I already got the other side on, but hopefully this is gonna be good enough to get it. What you wanna do is, you wanna take both of the nuts off. I'll let them fall on the ground. Then you wanna take this one right here. And because I'm going up, you want this to sit down on there. So you wanna take this, stick it in, do this way. All right, cool. Then you wanna take one of the other nuts, and then you just basically want to scroll it all the way down to the bottom. It's kind of hard doing it with one hand, but well, I'm gonna scroll that down. Then you want to do the same thing to the other side. So let me go ahead and do this, and then y'all finna see it in just a second. All right, so as y'all see, I screwed this first one all the way down, then I screwed this one down just far enough to basically get this down on. Basically it's far enough down so I can stick this in here, and hopefully, nah, it's still too high. All right, we're gonna roll that one all the way to this side. Okay, so I see that's gonna be a problem because this hit this bolt right here. So this is what I'm gonna do. Pull you back around. I'm basically finna screw this up, screw this up to this point. So one gonna be right here, and then the other one gonna be on this side. You wanna do it counter corner, whatever it is. Some people do like this one and that one. That might help a little bit, but me, I'm just gonna do it all on the same one. So maybe it help with spring compression. So let me go ahead, screw this one all the way up, and then I'm gonna make the other one, and then I'm gonna show y'all how I lift this up. All right, y'all, so I already basically did this one, but I should have showed y'all that one since it was easy. But basically you get the vice grips in between there, and then you just literally just turn this bolt to where it raises up. That's all you gotta do, just keep going. As you see, it starts going up on one side, and as it do, it lift up this spring. I think it make it a little bit stiffer, which is a good and kind of bad thing, but hey, we gotta do what we gotta do. So I'm finna finish screwing these up, cause I bet y'all just wanna see me keep screwing these. But basically, yeah, you just take this, you just keep screwing. But it's kind of hard because I usually use my other hand to hold the, because I don't have a what you call it. Let's move slowly. Yeah, I'm finna go ahead and finish doing this little thing real quick, and then the next time I see y'all, I'm probably gonna have this back on the wheels, and I'm gonna be changing my thermostat because I just got a 160 thermostat instead of that 180 because it's getting hot outside. So I'm gonna go ahead, finish doing this, level it out, and then show y'all the results, and then I'll be back with the thermostat in just a minute. So let me finish this, put the wheels back on, put oil in the rim, and I'm gonna catch y'all in just a second. No cap. See, this is why I wish I would keep cameras rolling all the time. So because I put them things in there, it's kind of hard to get the thing, the cart, the axle all the way up so I can put the exhaust on. Bro, look at the brick, bro. Look at the brick. Look at the brick. Oh, snap. Could have put the car in park. Look at the brick, bro. Oh, this stuff going everywhere. Look at the brick, bro. Look at the brick. This was once a fully brick. Now it's a half a brick. Hey. This with the rest of the brick. Alright, now all I gotta do is lift this side up, get that tire off. Then I'm back on all fours, and then I can work on the thermostat. I got a transmission cooler too, but I'm still trying to figure out how to route that. So I might get that done today. It might be tomorrow, but it's gonna get done. So let me do this real quick, and I'm gonna let y'all see the thermostat. I waited to do the thermostat because it's just strictly water in there now. A little bit of cooling, but strictly water. So when I let it out, it's gonna roll all the way down, and they ain't wanna be working in cooling. So had to get that done. So let me do this real quick. What can I say? I overdid it, bro. But I'm finna go ahead and show y'all what this look like. But I ain't gonna lie, I'm finna have to redo this some type of way. Like, I'm not messing with it. But I'm finna go ahead and show y'all what it's looking, what the spring spacers do. I should have took it before, but y'all done seen my car enough times. I might got a video somewhere where it used to look like in the rear, and I might put that in before this one. But I'm finna go ahead and let y'all see the before, and here's finna be the after. And 1, 2. Alright, so y'all see my end, right? Bro, I'm finna show y'all. Bro, look at the wheel gap. I hope this settle a little bit. But look at the wheel gap. I used to couldn't even stick a finger in there. Now I can stick a whole, down there my whole fist, 3-finger fist. It's like a regular Vic in the back now. Like, bro, it's crazy. Let me see. Hold on, maybe my camera dirty. Yeah, look at that, bro. I've been trying to see if I can get it to settle a little bit, but I don't think it is, so I might have to drop it just a tad bit. But I mean, I could probably fit 20s in the back now, but really what I'm trying to see is if it's sitting even. I can't really tell because this kind of like a hill. So I got that done though. I'm finna go ahead and put these tires back up, and I'm finna go ahead and get ready to get started with this. So let me go ahead and pop this whack hood, bro. And I'm gonna see if I can put the bumper on too. So after this get done, this car might be a brand new car. I don't know, but we're finna go ahead, put all this up. I don't think I need the jack no more, so I can put the jack in the trunk, put the tires up, but I might drop it just a tad bit more, like literally just a tad bit more. So when I put, because these tires, I kind of want to go thicker sidewalls, because the last time I had thicker sidewalls, I had a little side bite. These kind of so stiff that it just like slide regardless, and I need a little bit of giveaway so I can slide this a little bit better. So I got that set. Got that set. Now let me go ahead and finish doing what I'm doing so I go to the next part of this video. Alright, so we starting to get on the thermostat. I just had to put a bike together. Oh shit. Bro. Freaky ass car. You literally use your water, bro. So I got some coolant in the car. So I'm really gonna just let this run out for a second. Feed the grass. Can't say I'm not good for the environment. So we're gonna let that roll out. Then the thermostat should be clear of water. Oh my God. I've never seen that. Look at that line. I gotta see if that's replaceable, like ASAP. That damn beetle keep moving around. Need to find him somewhere to go before I kill him. Put that back in. So now I'll go back to the top. Now that that's done, I'll take this thermostat housing off. This quick, so I might can do this all in one clip. Oh my God. I got those out. That come right up. That is. What was this one? Oh my God, I thought it was 180. This is 195. Damn. I guess that makes sense now. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel all this blue off. It's crazy when you don't got a razor, I ain't gonna lie. But I mean, this got a what you call it on it, a seal on it, so I should be cool. So basically I'm going from a 190, which I thought was a 180, to a 160. So this should make a big difference. See? 160, 195. That's crazy. So I guess I am doing a bigger upgrade than I thought. And please tell me this fit in there. Bro. Don't give me a headache. Please don't give me a headache. Please just go in there. Let me see. Definitely the same size. Maybe I have to use this red one too. That one's having in there like this, or like this. They're flipping on there like this. Well, I don't know, because the blue side up, so it went in there like this. Went in there like this. Went in there like this. Oop, my bad. I kind of like that one. Well, That's about it for that one. So I guess I'm finna go ahead, throw this back on. I'm pretty sure they just sell seals. Definitely just blew me. So I might go ahead and pull this bar off. I might go ahead and just pull this bar off and see. I don't know. Cause I ain't know that happened. So we gonna figure that out. Hopefully it's just something I can replace. I think it is though. They bolt in right there. And then they just go from soft line. Let me see. That's soft all the way until it's right there. I need to figure out how to run it in line. So I don't know. But there's definitely something I'm going to address probably in the morning. Because I don't like this. So, new transmission line coming soon. I might throw that in this video, maybe not. But let me go ahead and finish tightening this up and then I'll see y'all in just a second. Alright, y'all. So, cooling in. I don't see no water coming out of there. We're finna go ahead and start the car for the first time today, or the second time, but this is the first time. We're finna get it up to temp. And hopefully the temp stay under 160, because I thought I had a 180, but now I got a 160. Let this run. Hopefully I don't need a new motor soon, because I ain't gonna lie, lately I've been starting my car up and I've been noticing it be having I don't know if there's oil in the cylinders or something, but it be smoking like. Ain't gonna lie, it sounds kind of different. Y'all want some reels? I'll give y'all some reels. I know y'all love the way this car sounds, so let me give y'all some reels. Let me find my tripod. Y'all enjoy some reels. No cap. This car is loud. Yeah, now it's time to warm up, I guess. Let me turn the heat on, because I know that's the number one duty that you gotta do. swear this is like one of the easiest cars to bleed. Like this car can have no water in it. As soon as I pour water in it, max all I have to do is pour 2 or just another one, and this thing be cool. Like I don't be having to go through no certain procedures or nothing. You know what time it is. NCT time, boy. I swear this take the longest ever. Know what? You still finna have to wait. You still finna have to wait. And you still finna have to wait. Boom, 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 boom. Trantil 112. Oh yeah, it's already at 156. Okay, let's see where it go from here. See if it keep rising. I ain't gonna lie, that's 30 degrees difference. Like from 195 to 160, that's what, 35 degrees. So my car definitely finna be way cooler. Until 164, but even still then, bro, this still cool though. 164 compared to the 190, and you see my transmission tip still going up, which is cool, I guess. I'm pretty sure because I'm just sitting here idling. Let's see if I car and drive. Shaking no more. Surely is smoking though. Y'all wanna see a little from the outside? Hold on, I got y'all. Risking my place of living for y'all. I'm risking my place of livelihood for y'all. I don't know though. I know this one ain't shaking no more, but still. I'm really finna cut the clip because that's really about it though. But let me show y'all the transmission temps. The cooling temp went up. 186. Trans temp 140. So I mean, temperature still went up, still lower than 190. But we finna just let this run and see what happened. I might have to call Marty and tell him I got a 160 now, and he might can change that. I wonder if the temp gonna fall back down. I guess not, but you see the trans temp steady rising. So I got the transmission cooler. I'm probably gonna try to figure out, okay, that dropped a little bit. I'm still gonna try to figure out a way to fix that, but that's pretty much gonna be it for this part. Now next thing y'all finna see me do is put this front bumper on, so I see that the car running good, temperature running good, it's not leaking. Let me check. Yeah, thermostat not leaking. Still good, so everything looking alright, man. Everything looking alright. Alright, y'all, so as you see, we got the bumper, we already got the corner lights out, so I'm finna set y'all up. We finna see if we can get this bumper to fit. It came off an older model, so far, this is what it's looking like. I got a few bolts that I need to take out first before I stick this all the way on there. Like I gotta take this old bolt out right here. So we gonna try to pull him out. So we gonna pull this up out of here. Boom. That can stay there. We're gonna pull this hopefully this one come out. This how I was keeping this fender in. Always something I gotta take all day. Alright, hold on. Might just set y'all up real quick. Alright, y'all. This what it look like. With a plain, ugly front bump on it. See, like, I got this side to line up perfectly. I finally got to use this bolt. Got to tighten that one up. But as you see, and I see what was having my last bumper messed up is because of that push bar that I got on there. Or not the push bar, but I had a push bar on there, and the way I did that, once I unbolt that out the front and put a brand new on there, this one should fit on there perfectly, because even like it still fit up there good. So I'm probably gonna leave it like this just so it'll look like a normal car, but I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Y'all comment below what y'all think. Should I paint the car back yellow? Should I go black? Should I go back white? Should I go a different color? You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know what y'all think I should do next. But so far as you see, the car is coming out great, honestly. Like, if I was just to sit this back in there. Sit this back in there. Alright. See, if I was to have it like this, it don't look too bad. Don't look too shabby. Don't even look like it's ever been in the wreck, do it. Nope. So all I gotta do now is give me a new Terminator front bumper, and I can put that back together. But like I said, y'all let me know. And I need a new fender. I do need a new fender for sure. Cause I feel like if I get this fender, it should be alright with that one. I need a new hood struts, and I need a new hood latch. So hood latches, hood hinges. Yeah, that's what they call. Cause I don't know are these messed up? These might not be messed up. It might have just broke that. It might have just broke these. Let me see. Cause the hood's still closed normally. I don't know. My hood latches might be alright. I might just need a new hood and hood struts and a hood latch. Hood latch, struts. Hood, struts, latch. Hold on. Latch, struts, hood. Yeah. The hinges is alright. So, but like I said, y'all see the new bumper? Just put a new axle in the car. Put a new thermostat in there. And I'm telling y'all, this car might have got wrecked, but we putting this car back together. So, like I said, thank y'all for watching. That's pretty much gonna be it. I'm gonna put the side bolts back in, the side corner lights, and that'll probably be about it for the rest of this video. So, thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what y'all want to see next. Let me know what y'all want to see next coming out. You know what I'm saying, for this car, cause we getting this car back together. So, next week, y'all will be seeing me getting a new hood. Crash support. But we got to figure out how we're going to reinstall that back on the car, because that side is bent. So I might be able to pull it back with some vice grips. I might be able to beat it back straight. But that's what we're going to find out on this next episode of Chain Gang J. I know y'all see the new name. So thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for all the support. And I'll see y'all in the next one. No cap. Alright, y'all. So it's first thing in the morning. I'm at the junkyard, as you see, and I got me a new hood. So that's what the car looks like. New hood, bumper, fender. outside of it to put back together. So we only got a few more things left. Got us a new hood. Now it's time to go to work. It's 9 o'clock. I've been out here since 8. Put in my core. And I bought another receipt for a core. And I used store credit. And I paid like $20. So you gotta know how to work the system, man. You gotta know how to work that system. But now I'm finna head to work, so I'm gonna figure something else when I get home. So yeah, we just putting this car back together, man. It's kind of all different colors now. Woo. But I'm gonna catch y'all in the next clip. No gap.